Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So Diwali is right around the corner and I wanted to pamper myself with a mini quick facial at home for the festive season. So let's get started. My face is already cleansed and good to go. This cute little headband thingy is from Miniso. I got this a while back. Since my skin is already cleansed, I'm gonna move in straight with a facial scrub. This is from Wishful. This is their Yo Glow enzyme scrub, which is very gentle and mild on the skin, but it removes all of the dead skin cells away and exfoliates your skin to get that beautiful, smooth, even surface on the skin. And it also sort of minimizes the pigmentation as well around the mouth area and such. And it is very satisfying to use this product, as you instantly see results, as well as when you scrub it onto your skin, you see all these little granules taking away your dead skin cells. Once that is done, I'm just going to wash off my skin using normal tap water, and I'm going to use a facial towel to dab any excess water. Instantly my skin feels baby soft and smooth. The Wishful Yo Glow enzyme scrub is very expensive, but totally worth all the money. Once that is done, I'm going to do a bit of masking on my face. First, I'm going to take this Pixi T-Zone Peel Off Mask. This is meant for pores and it sort of dries metallic once it is completely dry. So I'm applying that only on the T-zone wherever I have pores and blackhead or whitehead issues. So on the nose, on the inner cheek region where I have large open pores, on the center of my forehead and my chin. So these are the areas that I like to target with this T-zone mask. This is a peel off mask, so once it is dry you can easily peel it off. On the rest of the face, I'm going to use this Plum Chamomile and White Tea Glow mask. This is an amazing mask, especially if you want instant results. You should absolutely try this. This is really good for the festivities, I feel. So I'm just applying that all over the face wherever I did not apply the Pixi T-Zone mask. I'm also taking that to my neck because neck also needs a little bit of pampering, and I'm going to let it sit there for about 10 to 15 minutes. And once the T-Zone mask is completely dry, here you can see how easily I'm just peeling off peel-off mask. It just cleanses the pores on the skin. To remove the Plum Glow Getter mask, I'm using this Fiber Facial Remover thingy. This has been dampened under water and I'm just removing it gently. The Plum face mask is so good, especially if you want that instant glow. I do have a bit of facial hair and extra hairs pinging out from the eyebrow region, so I'm just gonna shave it off using a facial razor. I'm going to be using one of these, the Tinkle facial razor, which is super commonly available everywhere. But before that, I'm going to spray some rose water spray. This is from the drugstore company. Always make sure that you use some sort of an emollient before using a facial razor. After applying the toner, I'm using gentle little strokes to remove any peach fuzz on my skin. I'm starting off from my upper lip and chin and also moving towards the cheek area. Once that is done, I'm just going to remove the excessive hair on my forehead and shape my eyebrows as I go. Facial razor also exfoliates your skin from the top surface, so again your skin is gonna become very smooth and evened out. Your face feels extra smooth and clean after you use a facial razor because it removes all of the peach fuzz from the skin. Even your makeup that you apply on top will sit so beautifully. After this, I'm just gonna use any moisturizer, so I'm using the Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer today. I do want to take care of my under eyes and pamper them a little bit more. So I'm going to use these amazing eye patches from Pixi. I absolutely love under eye patches, and this one from Pixi is such a good one, especially if you have dark circles and depuffing to be done on your under eyes. Definitely give this a try. It is amazing. This literally looks like a patch of aloe vera gel, but it's so cooling and soothing on the under eyes. It is extremely therapeutic and so depuffing for the eyes. So I'm just gonna let this sit there for about 10 to 15 minutes. While this is resting on the under eyes, I'm just gonna scrub my lips a little bit. If you don't have a lip scrub, don't worry. All you need is a little bit of honey, sugar granules and a drop of coconut oil in it, and just scrub your lips with that sugar concoction. Your lips would become so soft and smooth and nicely exfoliated. I absolutely love the sugar lip scrub, so I'm just going to use this. Scrub my lips, I'm using the Sugar Lip Service lip scrubber. This is made up of sugar. It tastes sweet as well because it is made up of sugar, and it is so yummy. It smells amazing as well. So I'm just using the lip scrub to get rid of any dead skin cells away from the lips and to exfoliate it for the festive season, as I'll be wearing many lipsticks. So I want my lips to be nicely prepped. My lips feel so smooth. All the cracks on the lips is gone. Lipstick or lip products that I'm going to apply on top of my lips is going to sit so perfectly. So it's been about 10 to 15 minutes and I'm just going to remove the under eye patch. And whatever serum is there on the under eyes, I'm just going to tap it in. So you guys, that was my quick little glow up for the upcoming Diwali. I really hope that you guys found this video useful and helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Make sure to hit the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new video on my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description box. Take care of yourselves and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye!